Hi guys, DSQS DUBSTEPS, bringing you a Forza 4 drifting thing. Basically, I have modded a separate account on my, I've got two accounts. I've got one that's actually on my Xbox, like on Forza 4 profile account things, whatever you want to call it. There's one on my Xbox, actually on the Xbox, and then there's one on my USB. The one on my USB, I have modded, so I have got 20 million, got 0 level, and wait, so I'm just gonna buy this car, and my level is 0, and basically I am going to just tune cars, and I've gave myself all the unicorn cars. I'll show you now. Just wait for this to load. Cars, my cars. See, I've got all the unicorn cars, and you know I've got them because I've got that. That isn't that good for drift. It's stock anyway. If you tune it, you have to tune it really hard to get it to drift. Once you do get a nice tune on it, it is immense. I can't manage to make a good tune on it, but my mate Vibe Uniques sent me a good tune for it. But that's on my other account, one that's not modded. I haven't tried many of the cars. I know that over revs too much, so you definitely need to tune that. And that is actually a really good all-wheel drive drift car. Yeah. So basically, I'm just gonna go tune a Mazda RX-8, and I've also maxed my affinities, my 3 affinities. So the rest I'll do races on, and I'll do videos me doing those races, and just talking in general. But now I'm gonna go tune. I'm gonna do it really fast. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna teach you how to tune. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this engine stock. I've got an engine in it. It's a rage free, and it sounds really nice. I'm gonna put that in it. I'm just gonna put turbo in it. I'm not gonna put that engine in it because that just makes it overpowered. I mean, it's got too much power. Oh wait, so I'm just gonna do something very quickly. I'm just gonna, whenever not play vinyl or play decal. Oh, go away. I do not. I know, it's just terms and conditions about not putting naked women on your vinyls. I'm just gonna leave it white because it's just like the easiest color to do. When you're putting body kits on cars, I usually just make the cars white and just, yeah. Yeah, so I'm just going to be tuning cars and teaching you guys how to tune cars. What am I going to do with it? I do not know which one I like the best. I do not know which one I want. I like the ING one because I just love ING. Anything INGs, I just think it looks nice. Yeah, let's put that on it. It looks really cool. I'm gonna put that on it. Yeah, that looks really cool. Should I put, yeah, let's put ING because I'm just going to make the whole body ING. Oh, I can't on the side. No, well, I don't want to make that. I'm just going to do that, I think. Should I just put that? Let's put that on it. Bonnet. Should I leave bonnet stock? No, I'm putting that on it. I swear they've added more stuff for this car recently. I mean, before I tuned it and then it was just, there wasn't really much to do. Okay, so what I do with the tyres is, first thing I do is put, oh, you can't put, usually I put street tyres on, but I guess you can't do that. I'm just going to put sport. But usually I'll put street or sport. If there's street possible to put on, I will put that on. Because it adds a little bit more grip and slide at the same time. Alright, and on the front, I'm just going to make it so the front wheels are slightly wider and the back ones I will max rims. I know exactly what rims I want to put on this, and that's Rodular R2-5. I think that's what that line's called. I think it's called a hyphen. Why did someone name that an hyphen? If it is called a hyphen. Just make the rims bigger. Let's make the back rims bigger. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. Let's make them both wider actually. Just because then it will look nice. Oh, that looks cool. If I lower that, it's going to look sick. And then, what I do is I go and straight onto this. I max out the rotary and max out, because I max out like the normal, like this part on it. Usually it would look different. I'll show you what it looks like in maybe my next episode. I'll max out the turbo and the rotaries and compression, and max out flywheel as well. And usually there's a street filter, but I guess this has only got sport parts. Yeah, it's only got sport parts. But usually there'll just be a filter that looks like, just kind of looks a bit like a box. I'll put that on it, but I guess I can't get that in the moment. So I will just put the best filter I can put on it. The reason why I put the other filter is because power goes for it quicker. I'm going to tune this to 600. Okay, let's put that on it. Is there one that pluses 3, 6, 14? Is that plus 4? No, that's plus 6. Okay. Can I get one that sticks off? Nope, that's 14. That one there is 14. Is there one that pluses 21? 21 stuff. 30. Wait, what was that do for plus 30? Usually I'll try and make it bang on a like rounded number. Because I can't do that, I'll just take that off. And then I'll have a 10. Is there a 10 there? Oh, there's a 21. Oh no, but that wouldn't work. No. Is there a 21? I believe I've seen a 39 somewhere. Where did I see that? I think I've seen it. At least if I can make it an even number on top of this, I'll be okay. Anyway, I can make an even number. No, not with that on it anyway. Oh, this is annoying. I do not like this car. This car like despises me or something. Now can I put an even number on top of that? There's one that pluses 23. Oh, that's annoying. Yeah, so it's 615 horsepower, that's okay. And then you want to put the best brakes, you want to lower it, because cars just look cooler. Lower, oh no, lower. Best anti-roll bars. How much does that minus? That's what that obviously does minus a lot. Well, plus a lot of weight, and that minuses the weight because it's weight reduction. And then you want to do this last. You want to look at, this is the thing you want to look at on every car, is to how much this will improve or if it will decrease anything when you put race transmission on it. But it makes it, which isn't as good, but that doesn't really matter in a drift too much. So you want to just, it's important you put race differential on it for later purposes. Right, so that's basic upgrades done. And I've got about 4 minutes to do a tune setup. Back. So, basic, on every car I do this. I do these exact PSIs on every car. Oh, I make the anti-roll bar, or the front caster, 6, exactly 6. Lower the ride height. No, I don't. Change that in a minute anyway. I make this 7, 6, 5, 4, 68. I know, there we go. And then I'll put differential max stat, deceleration, I'll make that about 90, I think, on this car. Yeah, make that 90. And then this is the fine tuning parts of it, like this part, I might make. I'll make that about 7, make that 2, about 24, let's make that 24 actually, yeah, let's go there, 24, 16, 17. Springs, you want to make that about 590, 470, yeah. There we go. I think that's done. I will see if I need to change that tool when I'm drifting. I'll see what happens. And now I will show you the track that I'm going to do. Where is it? Where are you? Where is it? Here? Yeah. I'm going to do Circuit de Catalunya. Yeah. I don't know how to spell that. School circuit. And if you're learning to drift, or you are a good drifter and you just want a track to tune cars on, this is actually it. I know it says school and it's like a good school you learn, and this is where you learn to drift. Literally, this has got tight corners, long corners. And yeah, I think I do start the acceleration. Yeah, it's about 3.60. Yeah, like 2.5. Oh no, I accidentally looked back then. Oh no. Oh, that is so annoying. Every time I mess up on the track, like in any car, I get so annoyed. I mean, you haven't found it like this before. I spun out there. Okay. Because I've recently been drifting with like 800 horsepower and 700 horsepower cars. This one. Or not. Come on, keep it on. I don't really like the cars, but I like the cars. Over in this car, I would give it 8, 7. Actually, I'll give it 6. And I will see you later. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be doing more.